Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and preparing your devices. First, check your LG TV's WebOS update and install the latest firmware. This matters because Homekit support depends on specific versions. Next, make sure your iPhone or iPad is signed into iCloud and on the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. Finally, download the LG ThinQ app and have it ready. Once these steps are complete, you're set to pair, which we'll do in the next sequence. Now proceed to pair via the LG ThinQ and the iOS Home app. Open ThinQ, choose Add Device, and let it discover the TV. Follow on-screen prompts to register the set. Then on the TV, open Settings and enable Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. This exposes the HomeKit pairing code. On your iPhone, open the Home app, tap Add Accessory, and either scan the code on the TV or enter the 8-digit code manually. Make sure the devices stay on the same network while pairing complete. Finish by assigning the TV to a room and choosing a clear name so Siri can control it reliably. Test basic commands: power on/off, switch input, adjust volume, and stream via AirPlay to confirm functionality. If automations are part of your setup, add a simple one to validate triggers. If anything goes wrong, restart the router, TV, and your iPhone. Also check for guest network or AP isolation settings that block device discovery. That single troubleshooting step resolves most pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.